crowbar. Use that. Like this man.
Cars on jack stands. Hello, this is our lovely photographer friend, Charles. Alright, today is your time to build the E46 M3. Now tell us what you're going to start to do.
I actually don't know. I'm gonna put that in the car.
The other way. It's working. Don't worry, we got this.
You need some help?
Would you like help?
Yes.
Okay, give me that.
Okay.
You have to do a proper unboxing.
Ooh.
Stickers.
Oh, hello, stickers.
I guess the black ones are mine.
Oh, can you say what these are?
Or the Reinharte Racing suspension.
Okay. This is okay. Go. Who supplied you these suspensions and these stickers? You kind of have to say the name.
I already said it.
All right, this is where Fiona does the pose and go. Does the pose. This year we are specially sponsored by Reinharte Racing Suspensions. Thank you to the guys at Touge Factory and Reinharte for supplying us such a wonderful pair of stickers. And well, what else is in there? Shall we find out? Yes, we shall. I'm the one talking, turns out. You can get these very limited TF Work shirts at Touge Factory.
I think it's already sold out, isn't it?
Is it really sold out? Either way, we've got a perfect commercial.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Wow.
Looks good.
These look really good. Look at that. Wow.
Front one.
Comes with a camber plate. Lovely. It's really pretty. Get yourself a girl that will look at you the way Fiona looks at her coilovers. Just look at that. Look at that face. Just it's love. It's investment, really.
So, today we're going to install these Reinharte R1 one-way adjustable suspension. The usual way thing, they are left roll and they're custom shelf. So next season I will be having more grip and predictability on racetrack.
That's our dream lady.
Come on. Is it almost out? Okay.
Oh shit, my shirt is on the thing.
I'll lower a little more. Go. Pull. Pull. Is it out?
No.
You need to get it out.
I know. It's stuck.
You want to hold this?
Yes.
This is a size comparison difference.
Between somebody else and Jackie's.
Seriously?
There will be no further camera duties today.
I'm sorry.
Is it in position?
No.
Or do you not know?
No, because I need to put this thing on.
Okay, put it in. It's in.
Why do I feel like you're waiting for me to drop this in there?
It would be funny. You never know. You film because you never know what things can happen. Like, you know, that comment that you just made earlier today. Hurtful, but yeah, hurtful. Evil grin. Evil little smile, just like...